Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Official Cars Hub title, 2025 Mercedes G63 by Mansory, the ultimate luxury SUV reimagined. The 2025 Mercedes G63 by Mansory is here, and it's nothing short of extraordinary. Mansory, known for pushing the boundaries of luxury and performance, has once again taken the iconic G-Wagon and elevated it to a level of opulence and aggression that's hard to match. If you thought the G63 couldn't get any more impressive, think again. Unparalleled performance at the heart of this beast is the 4.0-litre twin-turbo V8 engine, producing a jaw-dropping 850 horsepower. Thanks to Mansory's tuning, the G63 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, an incredible feat for a vehicle that weighs in at over 5,500 pounds. The added power, paired with an upgraded exhaust system, ensures that this G-Wagon sounds as ferocious as it looks. Stunning design, carbon fiber mastery. One of the first things you'll notice about the 2025 G63 Mansory is the striking, aggressive aesthetic. Mansory has decked out the G-Wagon with full carbon fiber body panels, including the front and rear bumpers, side skirts, and the grille. This not only adds an unmistakable sporty flair but also reduces the overall weight, enhancing performance. The custom wheels, coupled with an extended wheel arch design, give the G63 a more muscular stance. The exterior finish options are as extravagant as you'd expect. Whether it's a matte finish, gloss, or a custom Mansory color, the G63 by Mansory stands out from the crowd with its one-of-a-kind style. But Mansory doesn't stop there. They've also enhanced the interior, which is truly a masterpiece. Bespoke interior, luxury in every detail inside, Mansory has spared no expense. The cabin is transformed into an ultra-luxurious space with bespoke leather upholstery, custom stitching, and exclusive accents that elevate the G63's already impressive interior. From the leather-wrapped steering wheel to the premium sound system, every detail is designed with the highest level of craftsmanship in mind. The cabin also boasts custom carbon fiber trim, keeping the performance spirit alive while ensuring comfort and elegance. Technology features. The 2025 G63 Mansory is equipped with the latest tech features, including a cutting-edge infotainment system, adaptive cruise control, and an advanced driver assistance system that makes driving this high-performance machine a breeze. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a high-definition display are just the beginning. Mansory adds even more customization options, allowing owners to create a cabin that's as unique as their personal style. Exclusive touches for the ultimate driving experience. What truly sets the 2025 Mercedes G63 by Mansory apart is the level of exclusivity. Only a select number of these vehicles will be produced, ensuring that the lucky few who own one will have a truly rare gem in their garage. Whether you're behind the wheel, cruising on the open road, or parked at a luxury event, the G63 Mansory commands attention. Conclusion. The 2025 Mercedes G63 by Mansory is more than just an SUV, it's a statement. It combines the rugged charm of the G-Wagon with the cutting-edge performance and luxury customization that Mansory is known for. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a luxury lover, or just someone who appreciates the finer things in life, this is a machine that's sure to impress. For anyone lucky enough to own one, the 2025 Mercedes G63 Mansory is not just a vehicle, it's an experience. If you're ready to redefine your concept of luxury and performance, Look no further. Stay tuned for more updates and reviews on this extraordinary SUV. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content.